Okay.
Baby.
Yeah?
Tell me when I'm about to run that shit over.
Okay. Stop. Wait, go a little bit further back. Keep on going. Okay, there. Right there.
I don't think that'll fit. No way.
No, I don't think it's gonna fit. Really?
Alright, tell me when you got one in.
Okay. Okay, slow, babe, slow. Okay, babe!
Did it hit?
Oh my god, no! Oh my god.
How am I supposed to get it back in the shop without banging that son of a bitch?
Oh, 20s!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bader says his channel is good. We got Bader over here, by the way.
Okay.
Hi, guys. Subi technician. Got the tools.
Picture him.
1, 2. Wait, are you going bald like me?
Yeah.
Damn.
Because of you.
It's because we own Subarus, that's why. 3, 4.
Don't go over so far.
Is that too far?
Over one more. Because you have reverse lockout.
That's fifth?
Hitting, yeah.
Holy shit, our training is good.
Babe, you scared us the whole time.
Alright, well, before we get this video started, let's get this damn fire going. Show them the tools.
What? Oh, is this what we've been waiting for?
Yeah, this is literally the tool that we needed.
This is what we needed.
Before we pull the head, what do you think the chances are that we have bed valves? No, you can't look. You can't look. 1 out of 10.
No peeking.
I said, wait, what did I say? In the last video?
I said 10% chance.
I said 80% chance. Timing belt wasn't broken all the way.
You can say 50-50.
But you said it's 0 compression.
Alright.
Are you man enough to hold that?
Come on, Bader. Come on, Bader. Look at that. See, we need the tool.
Literally, we were here for like an hour trying to get that one off.
You need my help?
No.
Stand back for action.
There you go.
Damn it, I'm gonna get my sweater dirty.
Honey, go put your crappy one on.
What kind of tools do you guys use here?
Is that dead? Is the battery dead?
2 bars.
No. Come on, babe.
No, I gotta put my gloves on.
Oh,
Protection's first. You know? You don't wanna get fucking coronavirus here.
Hey, look.
Wow.
Saved the day.
You guys are scary working with each other.
Watch my cam just fall off. Hey, Bader, I understand. How many vent valves do we have?
0.
Out of 8 valves on this head.
Why would you not just compression test it?
Why would I just pull the heads? Because I'd rather just do it right.
Because you could have compression tested it and you would have known right away.
Dude, it's 5 minutes to pull the head.
Devin, the real reason he didn't is because he just likes doing this.
Yeah.
You're
That's
right.
that's the answer.
You're right.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
There you go.
You've been ready. Oh gosh.
Bader.
Pull these out.
Why?
Because they'll get caught and then we'll just be sitting here look like an idiot as we pull his head off.
Who wants to look? You want to look
I'll
first?
look. I'll look. I'll look. Oh,
What do you see, Bader?
it looks crusty.
0 bent valves.
None?
None.
For
Damn
real?
it.
See, I told you 0.
Well, we still have 8 more valves to look at.
Give me a pour.
Ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready. Was it distilled?
Oh, it's not distilled. No, we're good. Damn.
Yep. None. That's
What
dripping
did
down.
what did I tell you?
Yeah, there's a 50-50 chance that it would have bent valves. And, well, you took the 50 shitty side of it.
Oh.
Yeah, well, that's a problem.
It's so dirty. I don't see a problem.
There's no problems.
Well, I heard that's a problem.
Hey, babe. We have bent exhaust valve.
What does that mean?
That is leaking, see?
Oh.
So that means I'm glad we pulled the heads, and if we would have listened to Bader, we
Whoa, I said compression test, did not say run it.
You're right. What we're gonna do, so we got a leaky valve here. All we're gonna do is grab a hammer. We're gonna bend the valve back, and it won't leak no more. That's what Bader does sometimes.
If you hold it on Reveler, it fixes the problem.
I actually did that on actually 80 or 100 back in the day. I had a bent valve, like severely bent. I hammered it back in bitch. I hammered it back in place, and it's good to go.
Really?
Yeah, no, for real, 100%. Swear to God. Not lying here. This is not a lying Devin Niemela. This is a truthful Devin Niemela.
No, I'm honestly curious what that
What you see here
test
is that's where a valve touched the piston right there and knocked all this debris off.
Oh.
Debris.
But you can see right there, it definitely touched the piston, but it's
So
not
is it
enough to hurt
ruined?
it.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, we need new
And over here,
pistons.
too.
We need new
I
crank
guess we could have
rods.
looked at that before we
Pretty much, we needed like a fully built short block, 1,000 horsepower cable. You know, it's just
turnkey.
there's no other option right now. If we don't build it, we're screwed.
No, babe.
You got 17? You're gonna just take that sensor out. Ah!
I felt it.
Yeah, I watched it just almost die.
All right, now we guess. How many vent valves? I say
0.
2. You say 0. You're gonna say 1.
No, I'm gonna go with 4 exhausts.
4?
Probably not. Probably 2. I would say 2 because it's gonna hit on one piston.
What do you
Both
say?
pistons are gonna hit at the same time.
1? And you say 0. I say 1.
I'm saying 2.
What do we get? Nothing. Wait.
Definitely hit.
Oh my god. These ones look like they got damaged.
All right, should we do the test? This is intake. Intakes are good. We're good. We're good. Give it a second. Wait. What's this?
Uh-oh.
No.
I'm all the way
Yeah.
right there.
It's leaking. It's leaking.
Yeah, it's leaking right there.
Very lightly though. I'd expect a valve hitting a piston to bend more.
Sad.
We got another leak.
Yeah, we do.
So what do we have? 2 or 3 leakies?
3.
So nobody was right. Damn, none of us were right.
Mhm.
No.
So we got 4 vent valves total. Huh, not bad. Could be worse.
Yeah.
Could be better. Oil pickup is broken.
Okay.
I bet. You like that motor mount? It's pretty nice. Is it cracked yet? Alright guys, so we got the heads off. We have 4 vent valves. Bottom end is completely fine. Oil pan is a little dented up, so we'll swap that out. The pickup is fine, thankfully. The short block is good, 100% good to go. Like, everything's good. Oil pickup's good. Oil pan had a little dent in it, so we'll replace that. Bader ended up showing me like how to, I guess properly, you could say, shift the training. So I think we're all good to go.
Sorry.
Tripping? We should be good to go in the training. We had, I think it's 4 bent valves. Was it 3? I'll have to go back and watch the footage. 3 intake and 1 exhaust, or 3 exhaust and 1 intake. So I'm really glad we pulled the heads. Either way, not a big deal. We'll drop these heads off at a head shop, completely gone through. What else? Other than that, we're pretty much good to go, right?
That's about it.
Yeah. So basically what we found out today, oil pan is going to get replaced. Heads are going to get dropped off, gone through. Training ended up being good as far as I know. I think I was just going too far over. When I was going over to 6, I was going way over here. But that's 3rd, 4th right there. And it's 1 click over, 5th, 6th. And then that's reverse lockout. Bring the cable in because it's broken. Reverse. So yeah, we're completely good to go on the training. Thank God, because that'd be an expensive fix. But yeah, we're just gonna clean up the shop, guys. I know this is a little bit shorter of a video, but the only goal today was to make sure the bottom end is good and the short block is good.
So we're good.
Come on, Bader, let's hear it. Dude, it sounds like a Honda, bro. I like it.
Yeah.
Sounds good. You wanna know what sounds really good?
What? Yeah.
With no turbo. Sounds really good.
Oh, I bet.
Yes.
Stand back here.
Okay.
Okay, you hear a built STi right now, right?
Oh, I know.
What sounds better, this or my Evo 10?
I like your Evo 10 better. I like both of them, but I just like the Evo 10 a slight bit better.
They sound pretty
It's just,
similar.
it's like louder.
Now it's starting to go.
Sorry, Bader. Evo's over CVs.
No.
No?
Ready for the race?
Not. You have a way bigger turbo, or a little bit bigger turbo.
6.2, 6.4.
And you're on E85.
We'll go pump versus pump.
No.
Come on, I thought Evos were better. Pump
They
versus
are,
pump.
they're better.
So pump gas versus pump gas.
Maybe. Maybe. You're good, you're good. yeah, from here, I guess from here, we're pretty much just waiting on parts, right?
Yeah.
Like, I'll drop the heads off tomorrow. Those are going to be done in 2 days. What we're waiting on is all the interior airbags. We're going to get those swapped out. The whole front clip. As soon as that front clip comes in, that's like the main thing. Get the front clip in. We're going to bring the car, the whole chassis of the car, the front clip into the frame shop. Get the frame situated. Get the core support swapped out. Frame, core support paint. Make sure the body panels line up. And from there, we're just, yeah, bang this thing out. I want to build it. I'm gonna go fast.
Okay, baby.
Not
Say
a lot.
goodnight.
Clean up the shop. Time lapse. Enjoy time lapse. Thank you for watching the video. Peace out. I'll see you in the next episode.